Alright, we're gonna get into assignment 5, Twitter and Ajax. It's just going to show the new functionalities. HTML is right here, and we're just gonna run it. Oh. You just put Rutgers, you can see everything pop up. You have the, let's see, over here, we'll start with top to bottom. The languages, the drop downs for languages, you have English, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. English, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, and Chinese, as well as the drop down for mixed, recent, and popular. Mixed, recent, popular. You just have to be careful that these are not capitalized even by mistake, because if they are, they will not work. Going into the JS over here, top to bottom again, you have the languages and result type turned into variables and set. Going into Ajax, after the QSearch language and result type are set here. And over here you have the output. And you see here that everything is in my HTML. The body span has, the user has the image, the profile image, and the screen name, and then the body tag has the status or the text, and the next two body tags are essentially favorites and retweets, and you have right here the count for them. For some reason, when I put the style in the CSS over here, it was not coming up, so the style is put in here. You can check the background color is purple for the favorites, and over here, this is essentially like a blue-green, but since blue-green, it wouldn't work when I put in blue-green. I just put in this, which turns out to be blue-green anyways, so that should be fine. And that's the retweet count. So the example that we're going to run, Rutgers you saw here, but something with more output. So let's try hello, which should be pretty big. So you see here hello in all the languages. I believe this should be Japanese and Chinese maybe, but we'll see more. This is only English, as you can see. Then you have the Spanish. Here we go. And then you have Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. There's two different Chinese that you can have, and this is traditional, I believe, that I put in here. If you go back to HTML, you can see ch-cn, cn. You have to make sure that these are lowercase as well, and these are the ones set by Twitter, so you can check over here. Right here. Simplified, sorry, not traditional. Traditional zh-tw, and this is zh-cn. Here we go. So this is simplified, as you can see here. Looking at the result types, let's go back to any, so it's easier to see. You have the mixed, and you have recent, which are recent ones, as you can see, and the most popular ones. There we go. For some reason, even after having the favorites and the retweets in the order, they're ordered this way. So as you can see, the blue-green is actually the retweet, and the right side purple is being the favorites. But everything does pop up other than that. It should be good. There's nothing being cut off or anything. Everything seems fine. The CSS is left the same because other than this style here for background color for each, the favorites and the retweet counts not showing up from the CSS for some reason. That's about the only thing. You have the errors thrown, and that's it.